Hello, this is my new two-ended pallet bar. It's designed for four-way pallets and for two-way pallets. As you can see, there's a 2-inch wide head one end and a 4-inch wide head the other end, and there are knuckle guards on either end of the bar to prevent your hand getting injured if you should slip while taking the pallets apart. I've got a two-way fixed board pallet there on the ground. I'll show you how effective this bar is in action. As you can see, it removes all the planks from the stringers on the pallets without any damage, and that is because the head has been designed ergonomically with a 1 metre long handle and a weight of approximately 5 kilograms. Makes tripping pallets as easy as you've just seen.